Yeah, you would think you could save a lot of money on your energy bill by insulating that space above your garage, but it really doesn't save you money. It might keep the temperatures in your garage a little more stable, but you can spend those insulation dollars in your existing attic, the area above your heated and cooled areas, and really drive that energy bill down. It only makes sense. If you have sufficient insulation, which in most parts of the country that means 12 to 14 inches, then your heating and cooling system is going to work a lot less, and that certainly translates into less money going out to keep the temperature in your home nice and comfortable. So even though if you've just run out of things completely to do around the house and you want to insulate the attic above the garage, it might help a little, but it's not worth the investment.